Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to change language on Snapchat. Okay, first things first, click on the settings application. Now, what you want to do here is you want to click on general. So, click on your general settings right here. And then what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you see system and updates. Just tap on language and input and you will come into this panel. Now, here, what it says a language in a region up at the very top. You're going to want to add a language. So click add language and you want to change this language to whatever other language you want to change it to. Once you choose that language, you want to click on it. After that, you want to go and click accept. It will take a second for it to reboot, and then when you go ahead and go back into Snapchat, your whole entire application will then have a changed language. And that's pretty much all you're going to have to do. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now change language on Snapchat. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.